Choo-choo goes the counting train, riding through the sun and rain. Hop aboard, it's time to go. Let's count together, nice and slow. One little bird flew in the sky. Two big clouds were floating by. Three green trees stood tall and proud. Four frogs croaked really loud. Choo-choo goes the counting train, through the mountains, through the plain. Every number brings some fun. Let's keep counting, everyone. Five bright stars began to glow. Six cute bunnies hopped in a row. Seven ducks said quack, quack, quack. Eight bees buzzed and flew right back. Nine red apples fell from a tree. 10 happy kids said, yippee! Now we've counted 1 to 10. Let's go back and start again. Choo-choo train is slowing down, rolling gently into town. You did great, give a cheer. Let's count again, we love it here.